How to make multiple accounts on Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make multiple accounts on Roblox. Start by opening Roblox on your PC. Then go to Chrome Web Store and search for Roblox multi-accounts. Now tap on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Next, tap the Roblox icon and select Roblox multi-accounts. Open a new tab. Click the extension icon and pin the Roblox multi-accounts extension. Once pinned, click on the Roblox multi-accounts option. Go back to Roblox. Click the Roblox icon in the top right corner and tap Add. From here, you can add and manage multiple accounts easily. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.